Hi, my name is Dr. Mackenzie Haines with Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and today we are going to be talking about cat eye care. I've got my assistant Courtney here who's just going to ask me a few questions.
Dr. Haines, what are some common cat eye problems that you see in the clinic?
The most common cat eye problems we probably see are things like conjunctivitis or eye infections, uveitis or inflammation of the eye, cataracts, and corneal ulcers are the most common.
How can I tell if my cat has an eye infection?
Eye infections are often characterized by significant redness of the eye. You may see some swelling of the conjunctiva or the pink fleshy portion of the eye. Discharge is very common, so like yellow-green mucoid discharge. Squinting or sensitivity to light, these are all things that can manifest with conjunctivitis.
How should I clean my cat's eyes?
Cleaning your cat's eyes, if needed, can be done gently with a warm compress or moistened rag to gently wipe away any discharge that you may see.
What should I do if my cat's eye is red or swollen?
If your cat's eye is red or swollen, you can first take a look to see if there is anything you can see in your cat's eye, like hair or an object stuck. We would recommend calling your veterinarian to see if there are any further tests that need to be done and what treatment may be needed.
How can I prevent eye problems in my cat?
Prevention of eye problems can be done for certain conditions. If your cat is a carrier of a virus called feline herpes virus, sometimes supplements can help with their immune system to be able to fight off flare-ups of the virus.
What causes watery eyes in cats?
Watery eyes are most commonly caused by viral infections or conjunctivitis. And the most common is feline herpes virus, which is carried by many cats and can flare up during times of sickness or stress. Usually herpes virus will kind of come and go, and the discharge will tend to be more kind of watery and thin.
How can I safely administer eye drops to my cat?
Administering eye drops to your cat can be difficult for sure. It always helps if you have a friend or spouse or family member to help you. We recommend often wrapping the kitty in a towel or blanket to keep them safely still while you're administering the eye drops. I generally recommend when you're administering it to just gently evert their lower eyelid to allow you to place the drop or ointment inside the eye.
What should I do if my cat has a foreign object in its eye?
If there is a foreign object in the eye, of course, depending on what it is, you can start by gently flushing out the eye with some tepid water. But of course, we would always recommend you having your cat seen with any foreign object in the eye.
Can cats suffer from dry eye, and how is it treated?
Cats can suffer from dry eye, which we test for by using a Schirmer tear testing system. We treat dry eye with numerous medications, typically some form of lubrication, as well as kind of an immune modulating drop that helps with tear production in the eye.
Can eye problems in cats be a sign of a more serious health issue?
Eye problems in cats can definitely indicate systemic problems sometimes. With conjunctivitis, whether it's bacterial or viral infections, this can also affect them, their respiratory system, so they can have upper respiratory infections. Anterior uveitis or inflammation of the front portion of the eye can sometimes indicate systemic infections, fungal, bacterial. It can also indicate viral diseases, sometimes even cancer.
How can I tell if my cat is having vision problems?
Vision problems in cats may be seen by simply noticing that the cat is not able to get around like it once could. Hesitance to jump on or off surfaces may be a sign. trouble navigating places that they should be very familiar with, especially at night, can be one of the first signs of vision troubles.
Are there specific breeds of cats more prone to eye problems?
Some breeds of cats that are predisposed to eye problems include Persian cats and Siamese cats. If you're worried your cat may be experiencing eye troubles, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us.